Hey loves, so in today's video I'm going to be using the new NaturAll Club Flaxseed styling collection. As you can see, I'm starting out on dirty hair. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because I do have some giveaway details that I want to give to you guys, and I'd love for you guys to join. So I'm starting out by going in with the cleansing avocado shampoo. I already reviewed the avocado line. If you haven't seen that video, I'll be sure to leave it above and down below for you guys. I'm just showing you guys how I'm prepping my hair for the day, but I do like this shampoo more than I did the first time around. So I'm going in with the damaged hair solution. Now listen up closely. This is exactly why I couldn't do a wash and go with these products, because my deep conditioner had went bad since I had left it out of the freezer when I was coming home from school. So yeah, I couldn't do a wash and go in this video. That is not a reflection on NaturAll Club. It is my fault that happened. But I just wanted you guys to understand before we move on with the video. But I did put the deep conditioner in and I detangled with it. Once the deep conditioner is out, I'm going to go ahead and apply my avocado leave-in conditioner before I hop out of the shower. So now that I'm out of the shower, it is time to style my hair. So this line offers two different products. So you have the Flaxseed Curl Custard, or you can go in with the Flaxseed Gel Extreme Hold. So here we go. I have a decent size section here. I'm going to go in with the Extreme Hold Flaxseed Gel. Just putting in a little bit. Just kidding, I need some more. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in the Flaxseed Gel Edge Control. This is really thick. I'm just going to coat my fingers with it. I'm just gonna twist. And I'm just continuously adding more edge control as it feels like it's wearing off. So now I'm just gonna let out the other side, and I'm gonna go ahead and try the Curl Custard. I didn't show you guys the consistency before, but this is what it looks like. Oh, that actually feels really nice. Feels very, very moisturizing. And that's what the Curl Custard looks like when it is applied. Quite honest with you guys, I feel like if I use the custard, it's not going to dry as quickly as if I use the gel. So I'm going to go ahead and continue using the gel as opposed to using the Curl Custard. This side definitely feels a bit more moisturized than this one, especially because this is more of a gel and this is a custard. So I briefly want to just tell you guys about these products. So as you know, I went in with the Extreme Hold Flaxseed Gel. It also comes in a flexible hold. So all of these products are handmade from pure flaxseed. They also contain glycerin, so that is why they are very moisturizing. My hair seems to love products with glycerin in it. The Extreme Flaxseed Gel retails for $23. As for the Curl Custard, it also contains glycerin, but it's going to give you a lighter hold. It's supposed to be a medium hold, but custards mainly focus on moisture. So I will say that's why I noticed that the Curl Custard was more moisturizing than the gel. The Flaxseed Curl Custard also retails for $23. As for the edge control, it also comes in an all-day hold, which is less strong. It also contains aloe leaf juice, castor oil, coconut oil, and glycerin. So if you're looking for a healthier alternative to edge control, this is definitely the way to go, and it retails for $19. If you wanted to get the gel and the edge control in a bundle, it's normally $42 in total, but right now it is on sale for $37. So this is what my hair looks like now that I am all done twisting it up. It feels really nice and it is shiny, as you can see. I will show you guys what my hair looks like once it is all dry. So this is what my twists look like when they are all dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in the pure avocado oil just to add some shine to my hair. So I'm going to rub that onto my twists as well as my scalp, and I'm also going to rub some more into my hands, and keep my hands thoroughly coated as I take down the twist, just to eliminate some additional frizz. So I just want to give you guys the details for my giveaway as promised. So this is going to be an Instagram giveaway. I do apologize to those of you who do not have Instagram. Got you guys in the next giveaway, which I will be hosting soon. The giveaway rules are very simple. All you have to do is follow my Instagram as well as NaturAll Club's Instagram. They will be in the description box below. And then all you have to do is tag 3 friends in the comments. That is it. So the giveaway will end on March 28th and will be announced on my Instagram story. For those of you who do not want to take part in the giveaway and you just want to purchase the products, I will be sure to leave the link to the styling collection down below. You can also use my code NaturAllK for 10% off of your purchase. So I'm going in and I'm picking my hair just to add some fluff, and as you can see, my results are really nice. For the fact that I had to go in and shampoo again before applying these products because I had to get the gel out to do the twist out, and it still came out this moisturized. It's absolutely amazing. I'm just going in with the edge control to lay down my edges so that they are nice and sleek. The hold on this gel is really good. I just really needed to tie my hair down so that they would stay. But I was in a rush to go somewhere, so I did not. As you guys can see, my definition is really popping. Like I said, my hair was very moisturized. It was also very soft and very shiny. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to join my giveaway. The details are in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.